So I'm here in the heart of the English countryside, and the Momentum team have tasked Mandy here, who's an amazing cook, to help me cook a hearty, tasty, wonderful stew that's portable, that I can take on expeditions, I can treat the team if we're filming one day, and I can already see there's lots of amazing stuff here, and I can't wait to see what you've got in store for us. What is this? What are we doing?
We're going to make the most delicious but really simple chilli. We're going to start it off with some onions, some garlic. We've got a couple of types of chilies here. This ancho chilli is really fruity and all that, add a lovely depth of flavour. We've got some local mushrooms, some peppers, chorizo and some minced beef. We're going to pull it all together with a few spices, which you could put all in one jar and just put it in your rucksack. So should we get the fire started so we can get those onions on?
Sounds like a deal.
Okay, I'm going to prep the onions. So Matthew, if you could just chop that into big chunks. Doesn't matter how it's going to be chopped, just get that into some chunks. That chorizo is going to add some lovely smoky flavour to this chilli, and it's going to release all those paprika oils. You're going to love it.
Okay,
Let's
well, I
get
think
going.
I can handle that. I'm glad you got the onions.
Okay.
What do you reckon this takes, this particular meal, time-wise?
I think we could prep this together within 20 minutes.
Great, and we got the fire going, it's already roaring
Yep.
away. Should I get the pot on shortly,
Yeah,
do you think?
that would be great. And we'll put a bit of oil in the base of the pan. We'll let that heat up, and then the first thing we're going to add to it are the onions.
Okay, so we've got the onions caramelising away. These look amazing already.
What we're going to do next, we're going to start by putting the chorizo in with the onions, and
Yep.
all the lovely paprika juices are going to start to ooze out of it. We're going to chuck this in whole, and then, like I said before, we're going to squeeze the sweet garlic at the end. Right, we need to get some colour on this beef, so if you get that in, and then with the spoon we're going to mince it away to get rid of any lumps.
Okay, sounds good.
Right, we're going to go in with some spices now, and then we're going to give it a quick mix. This is smoked paprika.
Wow, look at that.
Really
That looks
nice.
great.
So this will complement the chorizo really well.
Okay,
So
I've got
then
chilli
going
here,
with
so how
some
mad
mild
do I go with that?
just Not too mad, because I know you're into chilli.
Oh, that smells nice.
Okay, just for an extra depth of smoky flavour, I'm going to put this chipotle paste in.
Great. Here we go.
Let's have a look. So this has been simmering for about 2 hours on a low open fire. It smells absolutely delicious, and I can't wait for Matthew to try and sample this chilli that he has been very involved in the making of. So Matthew, pass me your bowl. Let's have a look at this.
I have to say, the smells, the colour, my gosh, it just looks amazing. This is my kind of food, you know.
Hearty, chunky deliciousness.
Yeah.
Right, there
I'm
we
in.
Go.
Okay, so the moment of truth, here we go. I think this puppy has been cooking for a good 2+ hours, so I'm anticipating something really quite spectacular.
Can't wait to hear what you think about it, Matthew.
It's just kind of smoky. I mean, I know it's in a pot, but it tastes outdoorsy. The meat is really soft, the vegetables are scrummy. You've got that smoky sort of chipotle stuff in there. You've got these crazy mushrooms in there. The vegetables, I mean, you know, everything in here is good for you. And it tastes bloody good. And it was really simple to make. So, I mean, for me, happy days. I can't wait to try this out on the team. Watch this space, and I'll keep you informed on what they thought. But absolutely stonking. Well done. Thank you.
No, you did it. It's brilliant.
Okay, this is really good. Kevin's been freezing his arse off all day filming us. I know he loves chili. Get over here, buddy. We've got a bowl for you. Come on.
Right, tuck in, Kevin.
Come in. Yeah, it's got a bit of a kick and everything,
Wow.
isn't it?
Yeah.
First approval from the crew. Looking good so far.